So friends, in today's exciting video, we are going to learn how to open a tool gate using a fingerprint system. This project is truly amazing. Earlier, we controlled the tool gate with an ultrasonic sensor where the gate opened automatically as soon as a vehicle came in front of it. Then we upgraded the system using an RFID tag, and after that, we even controlled it with a remote. Now it's time to take things to the next level. So let's see how we can build this advanced fingerprint based toolgate project step by step. We will require the following components for this project: Arduino Uno, AS608 fingerprint module, I2C LCD, servo motor with gate mechanism, and some jumper wires. The AS608 fingerprint module is compact, all in one fingerprint processing device that combines an optical sensor with advanced fingerprint recognition technology. It is designed to be small, energy efficient, and highly reliable, making it perfect for DIY electronics and security projects. It consists of the following pins: ground, VCC, RX, TX, 3V3 out. Connect the 3-volt pin of the fingerprint sensor with 3.3 volt on the Arduino Uno. Connect the ground pin of the fingerprint sensor to ground pin on the Arduino. Connect the RX pin of the fingerprint sensor to D5 pin on the Arduino. Connect the TX pin of the fingerprint sensor to D2 pin on the Arduino. Connect the VCC pin of the I2C LCD with 5 volt of the Arduino. Connect the ground pin of the I2C LCD with ground pin of the Arduino. Connect the SDA pin of the I2C LCD with A4 pin of Arduino. Connect the SCL pin of the I2C LCD with A5 pin of the Arduino. Before we start enrolling fingerprints, we need to install the Adafruit fingerprint sensor library. Go to Arduino IDE, Sketch, Include Library, Manage Library, and search for fingerprint and install the Adafruit fingerprint sensor library. Now go to File, Examples, Adafruit fingerprint sensor, and open Enroll example. Change the TX pin to 5. If you want, you can use the same pin 2 and 3. After uploading the code, open the serial monitor. Since we want to enroll our fingerprint on ID 1, we will simply type 1. The monitor will then ask us to place our finger. Lift it and place it again. Once both scans are successful, you will see the fingerprint has been successfully enrolled. Now it's time to test our system, and trust me, it's going to blow your mind. As you see, the moment I powered it up, an initializing message appeared on the LCD, letting us know the system is waking up. Then it displayed, "Place your finger." The moment I placed my finger on the sensor, it detected it instantly, and just like magic, the tool gate opened automatically. The LCD flashed. Access granted. And after 5 seconds, the gate closed itself. It's fast, secure, and super convenient. Imagine installing this at a real tour plaza. Vehicles can pass smoothly without anyone manually controlling the gate. Truly a perfect blend of security and innovation. If you enjoyed this project and want to see more exciting tech ideas, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.